In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business Account all process 2725. Open your web browser and search for Revolut Business. Look for the official Revolut website and head to the business section. On the landing page, select Create Account. This starts the sign up flow for a business profile, not a personal account. Next, choose your country. Make sure Revolut supports your jurisdiction. Availability can vary, and if your country isn't supported, the process won't continue. When you're confident you've selected correctly, click Continue. Choose your legal business type. This could be a limited company, sole trader, partnership, or another structure. Pick the option that matches your registration documents, then continue. Enter your email address. Use an inbox you can access immediately, as you'll need to authorize the login. Click Continue. Then go to your email and approve the sign-in request or magic link from Revolut to confirm it's you. Provide your phone number, making sure you select the right country code before continuing. Enter the verification code sent by SMS to secure your account. When prompted, create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere, then continue. Add your date of birth and continue. Enter your residential address as requested and proceed. You'll then be asked to search for your business's legal name. Select the correct entity from the results and continue. Now complete your business details. Provide the legal business name exactly as registered. If you're in the UK, enter your company's house registration number and the date of incorporation. In other regions, you'll provide the equivalent registration details as shown on your official documents. Click Continue. Enter the business address, including city and postcode. This should match your official registered or trading address, depending on what the form asks for. Continue to the identity verification stage. You'll be guided to verify your identity. Click Continue, choose the type of ID you'll use, and follow the prompts. When asked, start the video recording. Make sure you're in a well-lit area, hold your ID steady, and follow the on-screen instructions so the system can capture your face and document clearly. After you complete verification, you'll land on your dashboard. In some cases, Revolut may need a short review period before full activation, but once approved, you can explore your business account, manage cards, and set up payments. That's the entire process, from search to dashboard, done carefully and correctly.